Hello everyone. Now I would like to show you how to find the pages with status code 300400500 which has internal links to other pages. This is really a big problem and I will show you how easy it is to find the whole list of these URLs. We are going to data table links. Then we join link target href page dataset. Then we pick up the filter status code between 300,599, apply the filter, and we are getting the list of these URLs where the link was found and what is the href. Then I will apply the column status code and we will see all these status codes. So you just export this list to CSV and fix the issue. So easy. Have a great day.